The Squirrel and its Greedy Nature. Group 4, Class GF for 2.
Mutaya as Pip. Farah as Pootie.
Fauzian as T2.
Ajisni as Pip's mom.
Dimas as Mr. 𝒔𝒄𝒅. Happy watching!
One beautiful morning with the sun shining brightly, Mr. 𝒔𝒂𝒅 visited the home of Pip the squirrel family in a village.
Good morning, Miss Squirrel. Yesterday, my nephew visited me. He brought a lot of souvenirs. I want to share them with my family. These are special walnuts for your family.
Thank you, Mr. 𝒔𝒂𝒅.
You're welcome. Now I will go home.
Okay, goodbye.
After Mr. 𝒔𝒂𝒅 left, Pip's mom went into the house and called her children.
Children, look what we have here.
Yay!
You have to share it equally. Put it here.
I'll share it.
From 10 walnuts, she gave her sibling to each.
The rest is mine. I'm the biggest.
But Mom taught us to share freely.
Mom!
Yes? Why are you crying?
Because she is cheating.
That's not enough, Pip. I've already told you.
But Mom, I'm bigger.
Pip's mom thought
okay.
for a moment.
You are indeed bigger. Your food needs are also greater, but if you only follow our desires and so much, we will always feel inadequate.
Mom is right. We have to be willing to share, even if it's not enough. It's a blessing that must be grateful.
Then I'll be the one to distribute, okay? It won't satisfy everyone. Here, I'll give you 4 because you're bigger. And the twins get 3 each.
So it's good to be the bigger child, always getting more.
Yes, you're right, Titu. But the difference is not too much, right? Besides, Pip has to take them as she has to take care of the house and find food. Do you want to exchange tasks with Pip?
Titu imagined Pip task.
Well, that's it. Sibling must be in harmony. Must share. Don't fight just because of trivial matters.
Yes, Mom. Come on, let's eat the peanuts together.
Moral of the story: don't be greedy and must remember the other. In addition, with sibling, we must be harmonious and share with each other.
So, that's the story about the squirrel and its greedy nature. Thank you for watching this video and see you guys.